forging hydraulic press of DAYI Heavy Forging Technology Company, Limited adopts double-column pressing structure. The double-column structure can provide better visibility into the forging zone, have more operating space. Compared with the pull-down structure, the up-press structure has the advantage of smaller mass of moving parts. Therefore, it is easy to control the forging accuracy and improve the forging frequency under the condition of high-speed stroke. More economical and energy-saving. Fast forging hydraulic press is mainly suitable for special alloys, such as superalloys, titanium alloys, non-ferrous metals, etc. Forging production of materials with narrow forging temperature range and high price. Commonly used equipment specifications range from 630 tons to 12,500 tons. DAYI Fast Forging Hydraulic Press is mainly composed of main frame, moving work table, lateral anvil shifting device, anvil quick changing device, rotary lifting work table, forging manipulator, high frequency response proportional hydraulic control system, and digital electrical control system. The working tonnage and table surface of the equipment can be customized according to customers' product requirements. The working speed can reach 300 mm per second, and the fast forging frequency can reach 120 times/min. Reach the international advanced level. The electrical control system of the equipment is integrated, controlled by the industrial computer. Profinet is used as a large-scale industrial control bus system. It can realize full closed-loop digital control of pressure, speed and position.
Suzhou DAYI Heavy Forging Technology Co. is a national high-tech enterprise, integrating the scientific research, development, production and trade of hydraulic press. During the development process of more than 20 years, DAYI Heavy Forging has actively integrated domestic and foreign advantageous innovation resources, established a perfect hydraulic press product research. More than 1,600 enterprises such as for CSIC Nanhua Petrochemical and exported to Russia, India, Thailand and other countries.